Hello and welcome back. In this video we will see or learn what is the elimination method to solve the simultaneous linear equations. What kind of solutions these simultaneous equations have if we use the elimination method. In elimination method, first step is to eliminate x or y from any of these above equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So in order to eliminate or get rid of x or y, what we'll do, we will try to and make x or y same in any equation. In order to make x or y same in any equation, we can make 6x multiply by 2 with 2 with this equation and multiplying by 2 with this equation. We will get rid, but in if we check y, if we multiply by 4 this equation, we will get 4y, which is same in the other equation. So it is much easier. Multiply by 4 on both sides of equation 1. So if we multiply by 4, we will get 3x plus y is equal to 11 into 4. This will become 44. 12x plus 4y. So this is equation number 3. Now if we add equation number 2 and 3, we can see minus 4y and plus 4y will be cancelled. So add equation number 3 and 2. Here you can see equation 3 is 12x plus 4y is equal to 44, and equation 2 is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 2. So if we cancel these two terms, this will become 14x and this will become 42. So x will become 42 divided by 14, x is equal to 3. So this is the solution of x. If we put the value of x in equation number 1 or 2, we will get, we are putting equation number 1 plus y is equal to 11. This will become 9 plus y is equal to 11. Y is equal to 11 minus 2, 9. So this will give us the solution of x and y. So this will give us the solution of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. By putting these two values in any of the equations, we will check our answers. So that's all from this elimination method. We will check. Now we will check these two roots. 3x plus y is equal to 11 and x is equal to 3 we have. So x is equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus y, we have 2. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11. Y is equal to 2. So we have both these two answers right because equation is satisfied. So that's the way to check our answers. Thank you very much from this video. Follow for more in order to learn about more mathematics. Thanks.